Clinic Assist makes appointment creation easy. By first searching through your staff rota, Clinic Assist will match availability of appropriate skill sets with that of the type of appointment required and provide you with the next available date automatically. Before you can take advantage of appointment automations though, you must first ensure you have populated your staff rota and created your products. This tutorial focuses on basic appointment creation, so let's begin. Select the Appointments feature, followed by the Add Appointment option at the top of the screen. If you have already populated your patient records, select the name of your patient, the person that the appointment relates to. You can do this by typing their name or selecting them from the available list. If this is a new patient, you will be asked to complete a new patient form to create the relevant record. Next, select the product or products required for the appointment. This could be a vaccination, a consultation, or both. Again, use the drop-down list of available products for selection. Confirm the appointment date and time. The powerful Appointment Finder feature of Clinic Assist will first automatically provide you with the nearest available date, which you can save as reserved, that's penciled in, or as a confirmed pending appointment. If the date and time are not suitable, simply change the finder date and search again. Finally, check and send the appointment notification email and text message to the patient. Clinic Assist from Data Partnerships.